Hey guys, it's your girl Be Natural and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to do the slick back on type 4 hair, mostly 4C because my hair is 4C. So if you have short, medium or long hair and you think it's impossible to slick your hair back because you have 4C hair, I'm here to tell you girl that it's not impossible and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So if you wanna see, stay tuned. So if you see like your hair needs to be detangled, you then do it, but mine I detangled it like 2 days ago and I don't feel like doing it right now. So what I'm doing back, I did mine a medium size for the back. As you can see, my hair kind of needs to be detangled. Mine is a medium size, but if your hair is shorter and you want it to be more slick, like make your part a little bit smaller. But if your hair is long, you can make it a little bit bigger. So because my hair shrank so much, so what I do is that I take a little bit of gel, I apply it at the back of my hair, and my tingle brush. So yeah, so after you do your baby hair and all, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a hair tie, and you're gonna tie your hair up for six. You're gonna tie your hair up for 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know why I was saying that in French for. So guys, this is the final look after I took out my hair tied. I left it on for about 10 minutes, and yeah, this is how it look like. I'm leaving the back like that. I'm not going anywhere, but if you want, you can put like extension. You can just do a nice little bun, look sexy, look elegant, looks, anyways, I'm done. Yeah, you can do a nice bun with it. You can leave it like that if you want, as an afro. Whatever you want, you can do it with it, but I really love it. But yeah guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friend, all that. But yeah, this is the hairstyle, guys, and let me know if you try it and you like it, and if it works for you, let me know. And if you have suggestions about other videos I should do, let me know also. Yeah, thank you, bye, have a good day.